Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to use screencast-o-matic for the first time. So first you go on your browser and it doesn't matter if you use Chrome or Edge or Firefox, and you go to the website screencast-o-matic.com. When you arrive there, you will find a button on the homepage, Start Recording for Free. This is what we need. And go down to Launch Free Recorder. In this video I will use the US English version, so Launch Free Recorder. As you can see, this is available for Chromebooks, Macs, or even on Windows. Launch a free recorder, and depending to the speed of your internet connection, it will take about 10 to, let's say, 30 seconds until you will be able to start the screencast session. As you can see now, there is the interface for the screencast. This is quite perfect. You can choose the screen or the webcam or even both to be recorded. With the narration button, here is the microphone. As I use now for this video, extremely special setting. I am working on a virtual PC. I will not be able to see the microphone, but here it will be extremely important for you that you will see the green bars, that you have enough power in your voice, that the audio is really um, good enough in the recording. As you can see, the max time is 15 minutes. That's the free version. Normally for screencasts and tutorials, 15 minutes is quite a long time. Normally you don't use videos longer than for 5 minutes. So let's start it. I push the rec button and it will be count from 3 to 0, and now I'm in the video and recording. And every time when I push the button, there will be a white circle, and you can very easily follow everything that is done in the video. I do it for another time so that you can see everything very well. At the end, you push once again the red button down there, and now you can push the button done. Or if you're not satisfied with your video, you could delete it and start from the beginning. I push the button done, and don't want to edit it. This is not really useful in the free version. You have to use the save and upload button, and there is another window. And here, once again, you will be able to see the whole video, and you can see what's good, what's not good. But in this version, the free version, you do not have any possibilities to correct your video. When you're satisfied with your video, you can go to the right, and the easiest way is just to upload the video to YouTube. And this is really very easy too. You click on YouTube. Here we can say launch web browser. Now the first thing that I will have to do is um, to give in my credentials to sign in on my Google account. And by doing this, I will give screencast-o-matic the right to upload all the videos directly to my YouTube channel by clicking on this button. And after that, everything is done. That's perfect. It's up there. It's just one click. I have to publish the recording and give it probably a better title as first steps with screencast-o-matic. It's a very long title. Screencast. And just hit the button publish. When it's uploaded, it will take a little time for the rendering on YouTube, but then you will have the opportunity to just go to your YouTube channel and see the video and share it with the public. So hopefully everything's okay. See you.